How to use parental controls on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use parental controls on iPhone. First, open Settings on your child's iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This feature helps you monitor and control your child's usage. Now scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn the toggle on for content and privacy restrictions so you can start managing settings. Now go back and tap on App Limits. Now tap on App Limit to control how long your child can use certain apps. Now choose the apps you want to limit. You can also search for categories like social or games to select multiple apps quickly. Now set the daily time limit for those apps and tap Add. Now go back to the main Screen Time page. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions again and make sure your settings are still on. Now go back again and tap on Downtime. Turn the toggle on for Schedule to set a daily time when only specific apps are allowed. Now tap on Start and End Time to set when the phone will be limited. Now return to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Game Center. Then, adjust settings like app ratings, movie restrictions, and allowed websites. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and block settings like installing or deleting apps. Now, tap on Web Content under the same section. Here, you can choose to allow unrestricted, limit adult websites, or only allowed websites. Choose what fits your needs. Now go back and open Safari browser. Search for Google Family Link. This app helps you manage your child's device remotely. Tap on the official link to open it. Here, tap Sign In and use your Google account. Now tap Yes to confirm your child's account. Then tap Next and follow the setup to link the device. Then you're done. Parental controls and limits are now active. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.